Bella's worn out. She probably needs water now. My little guys, they still won't go out and play. They will when they get bigger. Hello, ladies. You ready to go out? They're ready. All right, look, they're already at the door. Y'all ready? Everybody ready? Oh, yeah. They're all coming. Go on, run. They're all free. They love it.
They still have water in here.
Ew, you're snotting on me. What was all that about? That was one Snotterville. Oh, you just focusing on them dogs playing. You want to get one of them, don't you? Oh, Lily. Jack. What are those dogs doing? They're playing. Yeah, they're playing. Bugs filling up their water. Tomorrow is going to be coop clean out day. My husband's going to help me. So that's going to be nice because I want to get all this hay out of here. Can't see in there. But see, there's the babies. They're still being kind of scared. Hello, Thelma. I don't have nothing for you. Just coming in to see all this mess that I gotta clean up tomorrow. Trying to think of a better roost for y'all, all of y'all. Yeah, I gotta get something for y'all to enjoy. Bigger. Make sure there's no snakes in there. Yep. I'll check their food. I wish there was a way I could come up with a way where they don't poop on their food either. On their lids. It's just like poopy everywhere. It's crazy. Where's my dogs? There's Bella. You tired, Bella? Thelma, what do you want? Hello, Louise. What are you two up to? Looking for some fresh water? I'm getting it. That one doesn't work right. I'm going to take those things off and put them on another bin like this so that I have 2 bins of water. And I'll put it in the other bin, maybe. But yep, that's what I'm doing right now. I pulled them a little kudzu. So they love it. So they can have some. Ooh, fight. There's Plan. Wow. Bella's fast, man. Uh-oh. Silly. And he's just chilling. We scare you? You liking that kudzu? Better hurry up, Jack, because Lily's almost done with hers. Why are you between my legs? That's why I fall and trip. Hurry, Jack, eat it. He's soaking wet, so she must have jumped in the pool. What's wrong with you, old man? You can't hang? Yep, she took over. She's fast, man. Bella is a hubby and she's very tough. She's a tough girl. Nope, she's down. She's worn out now. Maybe not. She'll just get a little breath. That's funny. Look, he's trying to drag one away from Lily, and she's following him. Crazy animals. They went into the shade. Hate when they get in there. I know they like playing in it, but I always worry about ticks. But I haven't found one yet. So far, so good. Go back and get it, Jack. He's going to try to sneak another piece. Brother. He got the little vine. Oh. He said, there's no more, Jack. Well, there's little pieces. I don't want to pull no more right now. Maybe later. Look. Little snake scale. It's weird. We've been getting weird snakes here. I wonder why we're getting so many snakes this year. I don't like snakes. I gotta really watch myself. But, yeah. They're everywhere. Let's see what Jack's doing. It's hot today. I think they had like a heat advisory, so I'm not staying out too long. I just want to make sure everybody's got, like Jack and I have good fresh water. Or water at all. And the dogs are running and playing. Oh, I gotta get them water. Wish they wouldn't take his hose out. Alright, let's go get him some water. Yeah, I usually leave it in there. But since my daughter put that pool up, they keep using it. But they won't put it back. Now it's probably too hot to let it run in there. I gotta let it run for a few minutes. Hello, Jack. Oh, my Lord, running from the hose. Make sure there's no kinks. We're lucky the puppies haven't chewed that up yet. Make sure no snakes. That right there needs to be cut. Alright, back to the water. Gotta let it. They're playing with the stuffed animal. So cute. Oh, scared Lily when the water shot out. Oh. Let's see. Feeling cold. You want to play in it? Alright. Get it in there. Fill it up. They're so weird. They love the water. Crazy how much these German Shepherds like water. He's biting at it. Weird dog. Ah! No digging. No dig. Silly dogs. They're laying in that wet spot. Kind of smart, I guess. Cool them down. Please don't pull the hose out. Move. Go on. In that cold water. Isn't it good, Lily? He's laying in it. With that good stuff. Jack, come on. Nothing's gonna get you. Lily. It's almost full. I have nothing for you. I've been working out here all day. I cleaned up the coop. Woo! It's kind of dark in here, but I put down lime and now I'm putting down the bedding. I know this is horrible, but I made them a roosting thing temporarily for now until I can get something better. And let's see if I can straighten. Okay. And then trying to make it to where they don't go roost over here and make a mess, because they're starting to. I've cleaned them all out, and I think I added one. I can't remember. But anyway, I gotta put some straw or bedding. But yeah, we raked. They're all over there, so I'm trying to hurry up so I can get them back over here. But yeah, I have been sweating so bad, but it's worth it to see a clean coop. And yeah, my little pathetic roost for now. But one day, it will be a nice one. They're all like digging in the dirt, cleaning themselves. They love it. That's how they cleanse themselves, keep themselves clean. Very cute. That one's really keeping himself clean. That's funny. She's done with her spa day. So, that one, I think the rooster, because this morning it was trying to cock-a-doodle-doo. So yeah, so now I'm starting to learn if they have a fluffy butt, they're a hen. If they don't have the fluffy butt, they're a rooster. So yeah, I think I'm learning. Oh, that one I think is getting a dust bath. But yep, I'm gonna learn. Roses coming back. Sort of. Need to clean up around them. What was that? But yeah. Those, I think I've had it. I don't even know how to keep them going, but I know they need to be watered again. So I'll go ahead and do that. Tree. Blooming. Isn't that pretty? I like those trees. Look, if you can see. I don't want to get too close to them because he'll probably walk away. Yep. I did Snickers' face. Snickers? Snickers got his face shaved. He was mad at me. Look how cutie pie. Can't be mad at Mama. I was trying to make you look pretty. Look how cute you are. Yes. Don't you run away. He's mad at me now.